According to Sri Ramayana, from a geographic standpoint, there were two ancient kingdoms, Takshasila and Pushkalavati, ruled by two kings, Takshaka and Pushkala. In Sri Ramayana, towards the end of it, in Uttarakanda, Yudhajit, brother of Kaikeyi and maternal uncle of Bharata, who was also a king of an ancient kingdom called Kekeya, which stood in the regions of Afghanistan and Pakistan today. Yudhajit seeks help of Sri Rama to defend his kingdom from the Gandharan tribes, and that's when Sri Rama orders sons of Bharata, Takshaka and Pushkala, to defend the kingdom of their maternal uncle and establish two kingdoms in the region and start ruling from there. Those two twin ancient kingdoms are what we know today as Takshasila and Pushkalavati. And according to Sri Ramayana, as you see here, Bharatatmajo Viro Takshaka Pushkalevacha Nihatya Gandharvasutan Dve Pure Vibhajishyataha Iti Sarvam Shivam.
We have been told for years that Alexander the Great came to India and defeated King Porus. He was so impressed with Porus' bravery that he gave back the kingdom even after winning the battle. And right after this war, Alexander, who was on a mission to conquer the world, decided to go back because his soldiers were too tired to continue further. This is the story we all have been told for years, but this story has a lot of loopholes. Everything about this war was mentioned only in the Greek records. Indian records do not even mention anything about Alexander or King Porus or the Battle of Hydaspes. And Takshashila, one of the finest ancient universities, was just few miles away from where this war happened. Still, no one bothered to record anything about this historical event.
हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं, और प्यार ये सब छोड़ो, ये बताओ चंडीगढ़ दो स्टेट का कैपिटल क्यों है? तो सुनो, पार्टीशन से पहले लाहौर था पंजाब का कैपिटल, पर पार्टीशन के बाद लाहौर पाकिस्तान को मिल गया। तो पंजाब का न्यू कैपिटल बनाने के लिए नेहरू जी ने आर्किटेक्ट्स को एक हाईली एडवांस्ड और मॉडर्न सिटी बनाने को कहा, और ऐसे चंडीगढ़ बना पंजाब का कैपिटल। फिर 1966 में हिंदी पंजाबी लैंग्वेज और अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स के चलते पंजाब में से हरियाणा स्टेट का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, और इन दोनों ही स्टेट्स के लिए चंडीगढ़ को कॉमन कैपिटल बनाया गया। और ये दोनों स्टेट्स चंडीगढ़ को 60:40 की रेशियो में मैनेज करते हैं। रिसेंटली ही भगवंत मान ने चंडीगढ़ का पंजाब में इमीडिएट ट्रांसफर मांगा है कि चंडीगढ़ सिर्फ पंजाब का है। वहीं हरियाणा का कहना यह है कि आप अकेले डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, और चंडीगढ़ का कहना यह है कि हमें यूनियन टेरिटरी ही रहने दो, दोनों अपना अपना इंडिपेंडेंट कैपिटल बना लो।